Good evening, vegans. Welcome to a Super Carb compilation, Lamborghini Countach or Lotus Elise, and why the goat's so close to it. Is that goat shit on the bonnet? At least the goats are vegan. Alright, let's cut into it. Super Carb compilation. Let's rock and roll.
Stupid fucking retard, man.
Ouch.
Halfway around the turn. Holy shit.
Oh.
That will be mine one day.
What is it?
I'm pretty sure it's a Lambo, dude. Oh, he wrecked. Oh, shit. Oh shit.
Il roule très bien, très fin, il utilise toute la piste, il débraque, il est dans les tours. Voilà, même en but. Hop, 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 hop.
Ah ouais.
Undercarb driver coming through. Watch this. Undercarb driver. Here's a police van coming towards us. Orange car. Boom. Slam it. Ram raid the cops. How undercarb can you be? Here's a getaway car. Front car. Cop car there. Boom. Slam the brake on. Boost. This is what we used to use in the 90s. Get away from cops when we stole Porsches. Done and dusted.
I know you. Oh my god. Oh shit. And yep, knew that was coming.
Whoa! Son of a bitch. Oh.
Almost hit me, I swear to God. Oh my God.